What if I told you your morning routine is the reason your life feels stuck, not your lack of talent? Stay with me. You wake up. You check your phone. You scroll a little. You tell yourself, just 5 minutes. Suddenly it's been 30. You rush. You feel behind before the day even starts. Your mind feels noisy. Your energy feels low. And by night you think, tomorrow I'll fix my routine. But tomorrow comes, and nothing changes. Not because you're lazy, not because you're weak, but because you're fixing the wrong thing. In this video, I'll show you why most morning routines quietly ruin your entire day, why habits alone don't change your life, and one simple shift that actually works for beginner. No fancy routines. No 5 a.m. miracle talk, just the truth. Quick question. If morning routines worked so well, why are most people still stuck? Exactly. The lie about morning routines. We are told, win the morning, win the day. Sounds nice. But here's the problem. Most people copy perfect routines from people with money structure, clear goals, control over their time. You don't have that yet. So when you try cold showers, journaling, reading 20 pages, workout meditation, your brain feels overloaded. And when you fail once, you quit everything. The routine wasn't bad. It was just not built for your level. If your routine needs motivation to work, it's already broken. Habits don't change people. Let me say something clearly. Habits don't change people. People change habits. If your identity is greater than, I'm confused, I'm behind, I don't know what I'm doing, then even good habits feel heavy. You wake up already tired, not physically, but mentally. So your morning becomes phone, stress, comparison, noise, and the day follows that mood. Not because mornings are magical, but because your first input controls your focus. Your brain is not tired, it's just overstimulated. The real problem. Mental direction. Here's what most routines miss. They focus on doing instead of deciding. Before action, the brain needs direction. If you wake up without knowing what matters today, what doesn't, what you're ignoring, your mind will choose the easiest thing. And the easiest thing is scrolling. Not because you're addicted, but because scrolling avoids decisions. You don't need discipline first. You need clarity first. The beginner morning reset. So let's simplify this. No routine, no pressure. Just 3 steps. Total time, 10 minutes. Step 1. No input, 2 minutes. When you wake up, no phone, no messages, no news, just sit. Let the noise settle. Step 2. One question, 3 minutes. Ask, what is one thing that would make today better than yesterday? Not 10 things. 1. Step 3. Physical signal, 5 minutes. Stand up, stretch, walk, wash your face, tell your body, we're awake. That's it. This isn't productivity, this is control. If your morning feels heavy, your goals are probably too vague. Here's the hard truth. Your life won't change because of a better routine. It will change when you stop waiting to feel ready. Most people stay stuck because they think, once I feel motivated, I'll start. Motivation comes after move, not before. Your routine doesn't fail you. You fail because you expect it to fix your confusion. It can't. Only action with direction can. You don't need a new morning. You need a new standard. Small wins build identity. When you do one clear thing each morning, you trust yourself more. You feel less lost. You stop overthinking. Small wins create, I'm someone who shows up. That identity is powerful. And once identity changes, habits follow naturally. Not forced, not copied, not fake. If your days feel messy, don't redesign your life. Just stop starting your day with noise. Silence first. Decision second. Movement third. That's enough. If this video helped you, like it so more beginners see it. Subscribe if you want calm, honest guidance. Comment. Reset. And I'll know you're serious about changing direction, not overnight, but for real. See you in the next one.